Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan from Uno Ear Device on the see one and only Atafa the Press. Well, I have a few things I want to discuss today because the way all me say Andrew Holness are going in a parliament and not normal. So I can't believe say the people them down at Westmoreland don't have any water. I wonder if Labour right them not shame. Labour right, uno not shame. Because uno spread pure lies and I say a PNP a planet, a PNP a tell lie, they have water. When the people they really do not have any water. The JLP and the PNP they not have no water down at Westmoreland. Well, uno Prime Minister come out and say him a go deal with it. This is why me I ask uno if uno not shame. This is Uno Prime Minister always make a fool out of Uno, Uno Labour right. Always make a fool out of Uno. They always do that. And then Uno now turn idiot and make a fool out of Uno self. Uno really not have no sense. So my wisdom warriors. So Andrew Holness run out. And this is what he said. The government is embarking on a 24.8 billion project that, when completed, should provide significant relief to water supply problems being experienced by Jamaicans in the western section of the island. My wisdom warriors, let's look out our eye. A year 24.8 billion project. Why 24.8 billion? Me box cover. I will heap of money that 24.8 billion. I wonder if the Auditor General check all these things. 24.8 billion project. And how long this I go take? I that more than me like to know. How long this I go take, Andrew Holness? The people them want water from Wapikil fill up. The people they want water from December gone. From December, the people, enough people are feel it from December. Then January come in, February, March, April. So long it take your brother? So the people them have to suffer. Boy, one thing with you can make Jamaican people suffer, And the thing is what people now get. I know PNP alone a suffer. At both sides. At Jamaican, it's not about PNP and it's not about JLP. It's Jamaican people suffering. Just imagine. Remember, say water is life, Without water, you cannot survive. And the Prime Minister wait 6 months, nearly 6 months, and now just come talk about a project which we not even know how long this project is going to take because they never mention it. How long is this project going to take? How long? That we want to know. But my wisdom warriors, taking
I
this.
hear the people of Negril. I hear their complaints. But I don't only want to come here and say, boy, I'm sorry, I hear it and I understand. Because
my wisdom warriors, what Andrew Holness a chat say? Tell me where Andrew Holness a chat say. Wanna tell me them my wisdom warriors. This a man here saying hear the cry of the people them in a Negril. So you see saying hear in no and in see what go on. And when do in keep silent. So tell me now, Mr. Andrew Holness, if you hear the cry of the people, why you never come out and acknowledge the people and tell them say you hear them and you gotta do something about it. More than have them wait for months and show the people them a don't care attitude. A don't care attitude and you call yourself a Prime Minister? You boy, me I tell you about it, It come like sensible, brother. You hear the cry of the people and you allow the people them, you keep silent and don't acknowledge the people. And you have the audacity to come out and talk about, I hear the cry of the people. I hear the cry of Negril. I hear the cry of that. For months I hear the cry of the people, Andrew Holness. And you just a come? And you just a come? My wisdom warriors, let's hear what you have to say. Take in more.
because you can have sweet mouth and sweet talk and cannot address the real issues that affect the people.
My wisdom warriors. Wanna see how Andrew Holness like for inform upon himself? Wanna see? You hear me talk about sweet mouth? That's what him do. You hear me talk about sweet talk, sweet mouth? That's what you do, Andrew Holness. That are you and your administration. That's all you do. The Jamaican people, they know. And the whole of your MP then come out and do the same thing. Pure sweet mouth, pure sweet talk. So and you always come out. I'm telling you something, my wisdom warriors. Anytime them a do nothing, them always come and push it on the next side. And I say the next side. When a them a do it, this is what Andrew Holness do. Come out with them pretty words. Me always tell you, come out with them pretty words and tricky people them. And the people and then so full. This is why me upset more while, with my brothers and sisters them, Yes, man, me upset with them. Because me can't believe, say in a 2024, people did fool so. Me can't believe my wisdom warriors. This a man that talk about sweet talk. And him alone sweet talk. Remember say the government, Remember say in a power, Remember say Mark Golding not have no money, Remember say the next side not have no money, Unless you release it. And even when they want to fix up their constituency, they have to wait till 2-3 years before they get money. So nobody go on like say, if PNP they have money, the government, in power, control the money. This is why the whole of the taxpayer money are missing one by one. That is why. Because chop the taxpayer money left, right, and center. And when the PNP come out and talk about it, get vexed. Because feel like some Mark Golding was a walkover. But me telling you something, the PNP then is different from the PNP now. I want to stand up and look good in a PNP circle. And we see different set of people. Different set of people, my wisdom warriors. You understand? These people are respectable people. These people care about the Jamaican people. And they mean Jamaican people well. Andrew Holness not care. Anytime he do nothing wrong and PNP run out and talk about it, Andrew get vexed and start spread be a lie. That is what they do. Andrew Holness government is the one that do sweet talk. Sweet up the people them, throwing pretty words and trick the Jamaican people. Your time has expired and the time is now. Time come, Andrew Holness. You must go. You must never get another term. You can't get no another term. You have to lift up out of House of Parliament. You time when you come in at Parliament, you know say you rank though. You know say you rank for your Prime Minister. You know say you dry eye for your Prime Minister. You come and you stand up in a Parliament and I tell lie. That is what you do, and spread propaganda. That is what you do. Before you come in and tell we from when we are demand and you hear the people them. You hear the people them I say declare your asset. Certify your things them. But no, you not do that. You hear the people then come out and say, lift the Gagada. You not care, you spread, you turn a deaf ears. You turn a deaf ears. That is you, Andrew Holness. You don't care about no Jamaican people. That's why you come out with this foolishness about citizenship. Because afraid of Marky G. Marky G have you under manners. And guess what? One more thing when I want to drop on Uno, my wisdom warriors. Uno didn't know say. The government already pay CCG. How much million? I think it's $24 million. They already pay. Remember, they're supporting CCJ. So why you taking taxpayers' money? Supporting the CCJ and Holness. And you do not want to move from the Privy Council and go to the CCJ? Uno say una time waster though. Uno say una waste taxpayer money. My wisdom warriors, hear this. My wisdom warriors, this, what I'm going to read, is the benefits to Jamaica and the Caribbean of full accession to the Caribbean Court of Justice. Because this is a long list. Long list. And you have how much pages, my wisdom warriors. Me just take out 1 and 2 part and show you. Yeah? So me I go look at the financial arrangement between Jamaica and the CCJ, which is the Caribbean Court of Justice. And tell me, after me done read it too, we are going to just elaborate. Because me want to tell me why Andrew Holness, why them, the government, pay how much money to support the CCJ, but still the Jamaican people, they're not benefiting from it. Hear this. The financial arrangements are completely independent of the CARICOM government. Prior to the establishment of the CCJ, actuaries calculated that the income from a capital sum of 100 million US could run the court. The government have set up a trust fund of this amount, and the court is now being run from the proceeds of that sum. Since Jamaica has already fully paid its share for both jurisdiction of the court, a decision by Jamaica to join the appellate jurisdiction will not cost the country another penny. I want to listen good enough, my wisdom warriors. It is surely time that Jamaicans take advantage of the full benefit of their financial investment by making the CCJ its final court of appeal. Wanna hear that? Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Wanna hear that? So the government of Jamaica spend how much million to support the CCJ, yet Jamaicans are not benefiting from the CCJ. This is what Mark Golding is trying to explain to the Jamaican people. Why keeping the Privy Council? My wisdom warriors, why keeping the Privy Council? Because the Privy Council now benefit the Jamaican people. And matter of fact, you have to have money. And it's very rare on certain people case I go to the Privy Council and notice only the rich. If you don't have name, you're not a guarantee you're not going to reach up there, so. So why not use the CCJ? Remember, so Jamaica already fully paid how much $1 million already, you know. My wisdom warriors, Jamaica pay about 24 million, you know. About 24 million, you know, them pay, you know, already, you know. And then, guess what? Jamaicans are not benefiting from it. So you take taxpayer money and you're supporting CCJ while you are with the Privy Council. Make it make sense. Who the Privy Council benefit? It's only Andrew Wallace. Andrew Wallace is the one that receiving how much millions. Me showing you over here already. Me showing you the proof. Andrew Wallace is the only one receiving money from them. Him are the only one that benefit. So why should we hold on to them? Might as well go to the CCJ. But Andrew Wallace don't want to go to the CCJ. Because I know the CCJ I want serious court, you know. Yeah. He knows the CCJ I want serious justice court, you know, my wisdom warriors. They're not ramp, you know, they're strict. And you know that. So it is a reason why him no want to go there, so. My wisdom warriors, you see why me always telling you say, Andrew Wallace always take taxpayer money and the foolishness. Because remember, you know, the government take up 24 million and support the CCJ. Why are you taking up 24 million of taxpayer money supporting CCJ when there's things need to be done in the country? You're not even use the CCJ. So why not go to the CCJ? And that Marky G is saying, no. Marky G say, if you're going to remove the king, remove everything. You understand? Make we stay in the Caribbean. Remember say everybody, you know, a CARICOM, you know, the thing there, you know. Remember, you know, a CARICOM. Really and truly, all on the Caribbean countries for come together, you know, and work together, you know. Just like on the other countries come together, you know. Uno can do the same thing, you know. Uno can do the same thing. So when a lot of Jamaican people get it wrong, talking about Marky G, as some of them liar bloggers there, liar girl, some little dirty king labor right girl, we tell Pierre lie pa Mark Golding talk about how them are activists. Uno for stop tell lie. Uno for stop tell lie, man. Uno have a wicked heart, man. Me never know say I saw no wicked man. I stay bad. I saw no evilous. I tell Pierre lie. Go and tell Andrew Holness to lift the gag order. Go and tell Andrew Holness to go declaring asset. Go and tell Andrew Holness to go sign the code of conduct. And that uno dirty thinking labor right girl. And that uno fi go do. Uno dep on YouTube and make mischief. No found no. Me talk about the blogger them, the dirty king blogger girl them. When they on YouTube, we are walking at a lie on Marky G. Uno fi go the whole of una wicked. Uno stay too damn bad and bitter. Uno stay there. Uno too bitter. And remember for the days are gonna come. For the days shall come. Cause uno too wicked. You understand? Me see what I do. Uno too lie man. Spreading lies about uno have the right information or uno get information from outer England. England now going to nothing. Kupa uno too. Kupa uno too. I can't spread propaganda and I spread lie about straight out of London. You don't know about London? Eh? You don't know about UK? Uno girl. Uno never fly go to London yet. Uno dirty king activist girl. I come out and I tell lie for my someone of a go. Someone of a go. All no good for come and I tell lie. And then they have a little idiot them and run behind them. Me have to really wonder. Me say my wisdom warriors. Me say some dirty king activist labor right girl them. Cause them have to be labor right. And then call themselves true Jamaican. How them a true Jamaican. No man no true Jamaican. They like Jamaican. Them could never say them like Jamaican. They could never say them a speak for the voiceless and talking about Mark Golding after look how much good Mark Golding team is doing for Jamaica. Look how much things Mark Golding is doing. But through them bitter, because enough of them claims that they used to be activists for PNP. But through they not get them way. Them bitter. But you no stay there. Marky G have no under manners. Marky G are going to make you drop down. You no fi go. You no fi go. But and when me attack you one them where they on YouTube. Me not talk about the one. You know me already. Me not call no name. But they know themselves. Spreading propaganda. Me say my wisdom warrior, somebody send something to me with one of them posts up. I talk about straight out of UK. Me tell you something about UK. UK now going to no information about nobody. Me tell you that. One thing. Uno girl. Uno girl. Uno know nothing about UK. Uno never see a British passport yet. Much less on our contract. But I uno for go. Uno is a bitter soul. Uno soul bitter. Uno soul bitter. Hell una go. Come out and tell lie pa Marky G. Tell lie after this man is fighting for the freedom of Jamaican people. My wisdom warriors. Uno hear what me just read out a while ago? Andrew Wellness, Jamaica already fully pay off how much millions already to the CCJ. You understand? Taxpayer money they use and pay to the CCJ. People need to start talk about this. And we are not using the CCJ. The CCJ is for the poor people. But yet Andrew Wellness wants stay with Privy Council because he is benefiting from it. Before the little idiot which them come out and talk about them something there. Before they come out and talk about those things and talk about taxpayer money, more like money where them a chop, then come out every day and talk about Marky G this. Uno feel lift up man. I'm telling you, some uno me don't want uno say nothing to me with no air. You see when it come to the blagger girl them on YouTube, me don't want nobody say nothing to me. But we don't blagger girl on YouTube. You understand me? Because them is a disgrace. Them is a disgrace. I'm gonna rate them because they don't like Jamaica. You understand? Enough of them when you see them come out, I claim them, me tell you, I come through them bitter against Marky G and through them get what they want, then just come for attack Marky G. For them own self, for them feel good. Not for Jamaican people. You understand me? So when they hear them attack, and can they have this thing now where they appear like them a tell and I write up peer things. You understand? And I tell lie. They don't have proof. They don't have solid proof. So no make no blagger girl come out and tell you about straight out of UK and give release nobody information. You know hear me? That's a one thing me know. UK now do. You understand me, my wisdom warriors? Anyway, me say I remember something, you know. Yeah, me say me have to drop it. Yeah, because some of them then just rank. Have the audacity. Because they come out and me tell you no. You see when you hear enough of them, I speak is spooky. And I speak nice, come and tell you now. Enough of them more than speak nice and their English so nice. It's only so nice. But actually listen to word for word what them I say, if it makes sense. Don't be fooled, my wisdom warriors. You hear me? Don't be fooled. Because enough of them I take people for idiot. And enough of them a lie. Enough of them a lie. You understand? Enough of them, me say I tell her. Even right now, Marky G run out and show him passport and talk. Enough of them come out. Show them shame like drunk body. Show them shame like drunk body. You see them a spread propaganda now and I talk about Marky G, yeah, and not even Marky G, AI, as that them a say now. Say, Lord Jesus, my body hurt me. They must say, oh, it's a clown and pure foolishness. Pure bangarang go on, my wisdom warriors. My wisdom warriors, hear this. So I'm going to go to the access to justice part. And this is what it said. It said, the number of cases brought and disposed of are not merely figures on paper. They provide a neat segue into a discussion of perhaps the most important role that the CCJ has to play. For example, in facilitating access to justice for the ordinary persons in the Caribbean. Wanna hear that? It has been reported that some 60,000 researchers were sent by the World Bank to ask millions of people living in poverty around the world what they desired most. They were astonished to find that the answer was not money, nor food, nor shelter. What poor people wanted the most was justice. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? This information when we get, I have the document. It is the benefit for Jamaica and the CCG, Caribbean Court of Justice. This is what the Caribbean Court of Justice have, and Jamaica have it also. And me have it now. Yes, right there so. Yeah? So, when you hear me out here telling us say CCJ is better, don't listen to Andrew Owens when Andrew Owens talk about, oh, if we have our own court. Yeah, why would you want to have your own court? Why? You know why Andrew Owens want to have one court in Kingston? Because he want to deal with no backside, you see? Hey, uno stay there. Uno stay there. Even when they talk about hanging and then something there, sorry, but I disagree with that. Totally. I totally disagree with that. You understand? And that them want to. Just imagine Andrew Owens be president now. That means a DPP now go left this so. She now go left this until God ready for take her. Right to the wall. My wisdom warriors, you know see? You come like you don't see what go on. You don't see the trap where Andrew try set. When the CCJ, remember, you know, everybody is a part of the CARICOM. If you're a part of the CARICOM and you spend millions already fully paid to the CCJ, why don't you want to be with the CCJ? Want to look into it, Jamaican people. Look into it. All right, let me read more. So, on a year, what the World Bank do, the World Bank said millions of people they sent 60,000 researchers and asked millions of people living in poverty around the world what they desired. And the people then say justice they want. Justice. You understand? Anyway, what poor people wanted the most was justice. This highlights the importance of providing access to justice in the fight against poverty and the social ills associated with it. Through the CCJ, increasing numbers of people from all walks of life have been able to obtain quality justice at the highest level. We can look at the case of Barbados as an example. In the last 5 years before Barbados abolished appeals to the Privy Council, a total of 8 appeals went from Barbados up to the Privy Council. I want to listen to my wisdom warriors and follow this. Yeah, for sure to say CCJ work better for the people them. You understand? If the people they want justice, CCJ is the way. So, in the last 5 years before Barbados abolished appeals to the Privy Council, a total of 8 appeals went from Barbados up to the Privy Council. However, in the 7 years since Barbados joined the appellate jurisdiction of the CCJ, there have been 25 appeals already. In other words, there has been an increase of almost 120% in the number of Barbadian citizens gaining the benefit of a second or final appeal. Now listen. All right. The CCJ's appellate jurisdiction provides tremendous relief in expense and in the complicity of lodging an appeal. Unlike with the Privy Council, Jamaican and other Caribbean nationals would have not to spend money to apply for and obtain a visa. Let me repeat that part there. Listen what this part said. It said, The CCJ appellate jurisdiction provides tremendous relief in expense and in the complexity of lodging an appeal. Unlike with the Privy Council, Jamaican and other Caribbean nationals would not have to spend money to apply for and obtain a visa and travel to London in order to be present at the hearing of their own appeal at the CCJ in Trinidad. Additionally, Jamaicans and other Caribbean nationals would not have to pay to hire British solicitors, but can give that work to their own local lawyers with whom they may already have an established relationship. This all makes sense. Why Andrew Holness don't want this? My wisdom warriors, I see what me show you. At this me tell you so me have fi drop on you. Cause Andrew Holness go on like he take people for idiot. Wait, you think me never there get a hold of this? You make us unless me no name at half of the press. Me tell you that. It come like you no hear what me name. Me name at half of the press. Yes. Anyway, my wisdom warriors. Access to justice is further enhanced by the use of the latest technology at the CCJ. There are audio and video conferencing facilities that are used regularly by the court to conduct hearings so that litigants and their counsel are spared the financial burden of travel to Trinidad. Additionally, the CCJ uploads the audio and the video recordings of its hearing of appeals within a matter of hours on its website, providing transparency and access to our proceedings to the public at large. Two of the CCJ rules in particular also increase access to justice for the ordinary citizen. The first is the rule which allows for the CCJ to be itinerant. That is, the court, upon the application of a party, can decide to sit in any contracting CARICOM state outside of Trinidad and Tobago. This has been done in the Shanique Myrie case I referred to earlier, in which the court heard the preliminary stage of the case in Barbados. In order to decide whether the claimant could proceed with the suit, we agreed that she could. Now the claimant asked the court to move to Jamaica. My wisdom warriors, I never read about the Shanique Myrie case. I never read it out for you. I tell you say me only go cover 2 parts. You understand, which me read out already. Well, I'm reading this one now. Yeah, but you always hear Mark Golden talk about the Shanique Myrie case. You always hear Mark Golden talk about it. You understand? That girl get justice. That girl get justice. You understand me? She did get justice. So, you know what? You know, the CCJ, you know, remember, you know, the CCJ is more for poor people. More for the poorer class of people. Yeah, seriously. The Privy Council, really and truly, have people who are up there. And it's very weird. And then you have to go even pay for visa and one bag of something for reach up there. So when Andrew Holness, the whole government, Jamaica government already support the CCJ, 24 million. They already pay to the CCJ. So if they move over now, it is free. Can why them a take taxpayer money and pay the CCJ? And nobody, and a lot of people want justice in the court system right now. Not for people they are prison. Not for the youth them they are prison right now. We need justice. But then can't afford Privy Council? Why not? Why not move in from Privy Council and go to the CCJ? That make more sense. My wisdom warrior, may go cover this more because there's a lot more in this document to talk about. You understand? So now tell me what you feel about it. Tell me how you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. I want to like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Run over to my TikTok and my IG. Follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.